Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the 3 new Catalyst AirTag protectors. They all have 10-foot drop protection and 330-foot waterproof protection as well. We'll go through the 3 different kinds that you can get from Catalyst. This is like a clip-on case. It goes right in here, the AirTag, and then you have a nice silicone cover right here. It's nice and soft. So if you have engraving like it shows here, you can still see the engraving through there. And that screws onto the top on that one. And the next one right here, this is just a screw together one. So it's similar to this one without the clip. So nothing on the bottom here, but this can stick on something with 3M tape. So that's nice. And then the third one over here comes with a carabiner loop, and it screws together, and it still has the same nice silicone backing as well to protect the engraving and the nice portion of the back part of the AirTag. So you can get 3 of these new Catalyst covers for your AirTags from Apple, and they're available now. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.